Hi guys, it's Cindy Leach, your polymer clay tutor, and this is the introduction video to my paid tutorial series, Faux Fordite Wire Weave Pendant. Now, I have been getting requests for making Fordite for quite a while. What I first will do is show you what we're going to be making in the tutorial, and then I'll explain to you what Fordite actually is. Now, this is the project here that we're going to be making first. We're going to be learning the Fordite, how to make the Fordite material, the layering, the cutting, the shaping, and all that. And then I'll also show you how to make this wire weave bezel, and which sets off the Fordite really nicely, or the Faux Fordite in our case. I've got another example here that was done in a little bit heavier, a little bit more rustic kind of manner. I've also got it done in quite a dainty little way here. I've got tiny little beads of the Faux Fordite, and then they're wired onto earrings, which is really pretty with all their little layers. Then I've also got another pair of earrings here where I took the leftovers from the technique and made them into these rustic hearts that look very dimensional on this side, and then flat. Here, I'll show you a better close-up on that one. They've got a real rustic dimensional look on the front, and then on the back side they're totally smooth and spiral looking, which is quite cool. And I've got some other examples down on the table here of pieces done in different colorways. So all of these ones here were all done with the same colorway. There's some little cabochons here, a larger one, and one of those leftover heart beads. And then I've got them done in a different colorway here, and they're done in some different types of shapes, some oblongs and triangles, and a really cool looking heart shape here. Now I'll show you a nice close-up of this as I explain to you what Fordite is. Now, Fordite, the real stuff, is basically a leftover material from the painting process of painting cars. So a long time ago, when they used to hand paint cars, they used to spray the pieces by hand, and then all the leftover paint would spray over the edges, landing on the floor and on the racks and things. And then it would build up, and then they would fire the clay or the paint, and it would harden, and layer after layer after layer would build up. Then when the layers got too thick, they would chip it off of the racks and off the floor and stuff. And instead of throwing it away, some of the workers had decided that it would make really cool jewelry. And so that's where the name Fordite came from the name Ford, from all the Ford paint on the floor. So I like to use colors that are that were used during that time. So I've put together a Pinterest page with the color chips of the old Ford colors from, you know, I have a page there with some from the 1935 all the way up to like the 70s, when they kind of stopped and started getting more automated and painting things by machine. So now it's quite a rare, the real Fordite is quite rare now because they're not painting by hand anymore. So, but polymer clay does a really great job of mimicking it, and I will show you all the cool techniques in this tutorial. So I'll see you in the next video of this series.